Hello friends, so let's try to solve this question. So we have to find missing numbers in a sequence. So this is our input table. So you can see there are some numbers which starts from 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 11, 15, 16. So as you can notice, these numbers are there, but these are not continuous numbers. From 1 to 16 we can see there are lot of numbers which are missing. These are not continuous numbers. So if we have to write the query which will give us those numbers which are missing in this sequence. So for example, 3 is missing here, 7 is missing, 9 is missing, then 12 is missing, 13, 14 are missing. So we have to find those missing numbers. So there is one way. I will try to solve it in one way. You can try to think in other ways also. So my approach will be, what I will do, I will find out the maximum number in this sequence, which is 16, and I will generate another output having all the numbers from 1 to 16. So first I will see what is the maximum number from this input table. From this maximum number I will try to generate continuous numbers from 1 to 16. So now you have one table which is having 1 to 16 all the numbers, then you have this table which has some missing numbers. Then we can use a left join, so we will get only those numbers which are missing in this output compared to a table which has all the continuous numbers from 1 to 16. So let's first find out the maximum number. So let's say with max num is, select max of numbers from miss numbers. Okay. Then let's say select star from max num. No column was specified as max num. I will just put m num. Okay, so it is giving me 16. Okay, so till now I just found a very basic thing. I found the maximum number. Now what I have to do, I have to generate continuous numbers from 1 to 16. So let me just put it as, now I will try to use as what I will say recursive query, because here we want to keep on adding the rows with incremental numbers starting from 1 till a maximum number. It is kind of a recursive query, so there is a specific format for this. So let me just write ct as, and I will just select 1 as flag and union all, select flag plus 1 as flag from ct where flag. Now what I will do, flag, I have to increment this number till this number, till this maximum number. So I am using less than because I am already starting from 1, so it will keep on incrementing and it will reach 16, and then I will put this less than. If I put less than equal to, then it will go till 17. So let me just run this, then it will be clear. Let me just run this second query. What is the error? Okay, this is 16. Okay, here select CTE as, there is a comma, select 1 as flag union all, flag from CT where flag Okay, sorry, I have to use this one, not my mistake to use this, because we have already found the CTE, so no need to use another one. Okay, so I was using this query directly here. Instead of that, I just have to use this alias that I have created, and this mnum I have found out in maxnum CTE. So this I am using. So here what I am doing in the first query, I just found the maximum number from our initial table, which was this one, 16. Now I am generating continuous numbers from 1 to 16. So for that I am using this recursive query. This is a format of recursive query. You have to first give a feed element in the recursive query. So it is a starting point for recursive query, and then based on some condition we are generating rows one by one and then doing a union of all those rows. So we started with one, select one as flag, and then we are adding a new row. We are doing a union all, and in union all a new row is generated with an incremental number of 1. So this flag was 1, in the next row this flag will become 2, and we will continue this recursive query till this flag reaches the maximum number. And since we have already started with 1, that's why I am using less than. If I put less than equal to, then it will end at 17. So we don't need 17, we just need 16. So now you can see it is continuing till 16. So now two parts are done. We already have our numbers from 1 to 16. We just have to use a left join with our actual input table. So what I will do, select star from CTE, left join miss nums on CTE dot flag equal to miss nums dot numbers. Okay, now let's see what it is giving us. Okay, let me run both the queries. So you can see here 1 is present in both the tables, 2 is present, but in this actual table, source table, 3 was not present. So that's why for 3 this numbers table, this miss numbers table is giving us null. So for all those missing numbers we can see null. Now what we have to do, we just have to select those rows for which the second column is null. So in the same query we can use as where miss nums dot numbers is null. Now you can see it is giving us only these 3 numbers, and now no need to select star, we can just select flag. Okay, so 3, 7, 9, 12, 13, 14. So clearly you can see in this table between 1 to 16 these are the missing numbers. Okay, so what approach we used, we first found out the maximum number from this table, then we generated sequential numbers from 1 till the maximum number, and then we are using a left join between this new output compared with our source table. So that will give us the missing numbers. Okay, thanks for this video.